I hold the silence. Tonight your shadow turns once more. Not laughter or promises, but the pain you've given, like a bitter carving in this lonely heart. That's how you are, my lady, remember it. Only the story of the suffering you felt, even if it's just a word. But your eyes don't see when you hold my hand tightly, then you let go so easily, without a word. You keep the sorrow you think will never fade, while the wound you carved into my heart gnaws away. Though it is so great, the wound you created, deeper than the sunset, lost on the horizon. That's how you are, my lady, who only remembers the story about the suffering you feel, even if it's just a word. But your eyes don't see when you hold my hand tightly, then you just let go without a perhaps you've forgotten or never felt how painful it is when you become sorrow. I hope one day you understand there is a heart you've broken without realizing it. Under the moonlight, I whisper softly how great your wound is and how small mine is. But what you don't remember is your pain from me. What you've forgotten. I'm Rahwana, the king who conquered the world, on a throne of gold and jewels, but I cannot touch Sinta's heart. Rahwana's soul is just an empty ember. God, if this love is a mistake, why did you carve her into the depths of my heart. Why did you ignite a fire I cannot extinguish? What is the meaning of this journey if its destination is not union? I'm Rahwana. I do not wish to defy your destiny. I only want to know, why did you choose longing? In every breath I take, I utter his name, a name that will never become real.
You call him into the depths of my heart. Why did you ignite a fire I cannot extinguish? What is the meaning of this journey if its destination is not union? Silent witness, created only to love in solitude. Loving in solitude. If it's destination is not to unite.
When the world feels frozen, I need a hand that can touch me, a place to share in every sad house, be my friend in every story. You're the one who made me angry, my faithful friend, my playmate, my comrade, and be the only friend in my life. Forever, only you. We share our laughter and tears. We face each step together. I'll never be alone again, because you're always there to understand. You're the one who made dancing in an empty space. Distance speaks in a long silence. I tie my patience to the rope of hope, waiting for your return at the edge of memory. The gray sky witnesses this longing. The wind carries whispers without end. I endure it though my heart is scarred. This longing is eternal, a distance changes. Return and bring the light. Erase the night filled with anxiety. This patience I entrust to time, waiting until you return to my Your footsteps echo in fading dreams. Your shadow lingers in the corners of my memory. I keep walking through my heart trembles, waiting for your smile I long for. Time is a friend who often betrays, but I believe it brings news. I wait patience until a cloak of strength, until you return, until I say goodbye. Come back and bring the light. Erase the night filled with anxiety. This patience I entrust to time, waiting until you return to my The day came slowly. News of you drifted in between the twilight. You said you were getting married, and I asked nothing. Come
the flowers you chose yourself. White, you said, light.